Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't tell you how long I have been waiting for to say this, to actually welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Those of you all who don't know me, my name is Asmita Kaushik and I have been working as a content creator since the past 4.5 years. This is my Instagram profile, you can check it out. And also I have done a reality TV show called Myntra Fashion Superstar. That's where my journey began. And after that I became a full-time content creator. उससे पहले मैंने एक साल job करी थी. But I have been born, brought up, college, post-grad, job, study. I live in Delhi. सब कुछ मेरा Delhi से है. I'm completely दिल से दिल्ली वाली. And I love traveling. My family loves to travel. I love to travel. So I have been traveling by myself for the past 2 years a lot. And I have been to places like Hong Kong, Dubai, Indonesia, Thailand, Oman, Qatar, and I have been fortunate enough to visit to the United States of America, which has been literally a dream. I have been manifesting it in my head, and as you can read by the title of the video only, it's my USA shopping haul. And trust me guys, all this shopping is just the result of all the hard work and passion I've poured into my work. And bas yahi hai, it's not just shopping, and I have always wanted to do this, and USA jana was also like a big manifestation that came true. And I'm super thrilled to take you through all the products that I've bought. So in this USA shopping haul, I'll be literally showing you all the bags. Why did I buy them? How much did I get it from? And from where exactly did I buy them in US? And why did I buy them? Because honestly guys, I chose to buy all American brands from USA. As you all know, जहाँ का brand होता है वहाँ comparatively reasonable मिलता है. So I made sure when I went to US that I will focus on the American brands. Whatever reasonable I'm getting there, I'll buy it from there. तो ऐसा सोच के मैंने वहाँ पे shopping करी. And guys, everything has been bought with my hard-earned money. एक या दो इसमें से gift होगा. बाकी सब कुछ मैंने खुद से ही purchase करा है. And this is literally in no terms showing off or anything. It's just that I'm so excited to share what all have I bought. मैं जैसे अपने friends को दिखाती हूँ excitement से, I really wanted to come up here and show it to you all because from the longest time all my friends have been telling me, bro, you're meant for YouTube. बस पता YouTube पे आ, YouTube पे आ, YouTube पे आ. अब मैं आ गई हूँ and I finally am sitting here and creating this video and I'm super excited for it. So बाकी की बातें तो मैं साथ साथ में करती रहूंगी, क्या कहाँ क्या और क्या करा, but I know even you can't wait to see what all I've got. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first brand that I shopped from USA is Tory Burch. So guys, you know what, even if you've been to Europe or any place you think you'll get this bag cheaper, trust me, ये USA में सबसे best price पे मिलता है. Tory Burch, definitely keep it in mind. So one brand to look forward to when you go to US is Tory Burch. So I bought a beautiful footwear. So these are the loafers that I've always wanted to buy. मुझे लगा ऐसा daily casual में, and then you know I genuinely thought that I would be able to wear it both in winters, autumn, summers. I can style it in every possible season. So these are the footwear, these are the loafers. I love the Tory sign and the sole is also like gripping. Absolutely love this. They are perfect to wear to work also. And here I remember I went to Emporio and I could not find a single footwear under 40,000. And ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त sale पे I went to this Rentham village in Boston. Actually, I'll keep mentioning the prices of all this here only. I think 12-13,000 तक का मुझे footwear पड़ा, which here is so expensive. So Tory is one brand that if you're traveling to USA, you are definitely buying. So guys, I don't know what happened, but I thought I want a matching bag with my loafers to carry. Okay, whenever I'm going to somewhere classy or something like that, I should definitely buy one. So I really got myself this beautiful Tory bag. Let me quickly give you a look of this one. This is the bag. If you can see, it's a small bag only. The only thing I checked while buying this bag was कि इसमें मेरा phone fit आता है कि नहीं. And बहुत ही अच्छे से इसमें मेरा phone fit आ गया. I absolutely love it. It has a sling also to carry, and you can actually carry it like this also. It looks super classy, and the color absolutely matches with my loafers also. So absolutely love the combination and I can't wait to wear it. And this also I got it for about 11 to 12,000 rupees only, which is crazy because I couldn't have imagined getting a Tory bag for this much. बहुत ही सही price पे मिला. I think मैं हो सकता है कम या ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, तो I mentioned the prices here. The color of the footwear and bag are such that can be literally used on every occasion. of course it's matching, so yeah. Okay, so guys, next bag I have a story to share with you. तो मैंने हांगकांग गई थी last November में, and there actually I purchased, I wanted to buy something. Every trip I go to, मुझे एक ना कुछ मेमोरी के लिए एक बैग या कुछ चाहिए होता है. So I thought थोड़ा मैंने सेव अप कर लिया, मतलब मेरे थोड़े बच गए बजट में से ट्रिप के पैसे. I want to buy a bag. So I went to the Marc Jacobs store. I saw a lot of bags. Everything was expensive or whatever. But if you know me, if you followed me on Instagram, you know that I am into mini bags. Okay, so I actually got this bag for myself. So basically this was not actually a bag, but it was basically a charm bag. Okay, and this was purple in color. It looked super pretty. This is how it looked. I absolutely loved it, and this was also for about 14,000-15,000 I think when I bought it in Hong Kong dollars only. I used to see those videos when you the minis डालते हैं जिसमें you can put like a lot of minis inside it and you can carry it. तो मैंने एक purple strap भी लिया to wear with it and I used to wear it. But somehow I never used to feel कि ये bag है. तो impulsive purchase. Next thing I did in US is I was on a hunt कि मैं इसको टांगने के लिए कोई बैग ढूंढूं, ठीक है. I can put my minis in it and पूरा बैग भी यूज कर सकूं. Okay. Then I actually bought myself a bigger version of the same tote, guys. Can you believe this? I actually bought a medium-sized Marc Jacobs tote with which I was super happy. And मैंने सोचा यार एक बैग होना चाहिए जिसमें तुम्हारी दुनिया आ जाए, जिसमें तुम अपना zipper, diaries, you can put your laptop, iPad, whatever you want to, and you can carry it maybe for your airport look or however. उस पर्पस के लिए लिया कि एक ना कैजुअल रफ टफ बैग होना चाहिए. एंड मेरे को कलर चूज करने में ऑब्वियसली टाइम नहीं लगा. आई थॉट आई हैव दैट पर्पल चार्म विच वाज अगेन एक्सपेंसिव इन इटसेल्फ. सो मैंने पर्पल ही चूज करा कि मैं पर्पल ही लूंगी. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. एक्चुअली इट लुक्स सुपर क्यूट. ऑब्वियसली इट हैज दैट लॉन्ग स्लिंग. मुझे यही लगा एयरपोर्ट लुक, कैजुअल लुक, जिसमें मेरा सामान आ जाए, मुझे अलग से कोई बैग नहीं कैरी करना पड़े अपने स्लिंग के साथ टू पुट माई लैपटॉप, iPad and everything. You know, I had my eyes on all the American brands. So this is my Marc Jacobs tote in the purple color. You let me know guys, which Marc Jacobs bag have you been eyeing on? कौन सा color आपको चाहिए? Because we have a wide range in Marc Jacobs tote collection. So this one was my pick. Can't wait to use that. Oh my god, how can I forget to tell you कि इसके साथ भी मैच करने के लिए कुछ लिया गया है. Okay, I'll put this aside and then show it to you. So for casual looks, obviously I wanted to buy casual shoes also. So these are purple Skechers. These I really got at a deal, guys. These are originally for I think 6,500 rupees and I got them for 2,600 to match and wear with my purple tote. And these are Skechers, which we all know. It's super lightweight, so good. It has this memory foam base also, super nice. Whenever I want to carry the Marc Jacobs bag, I'm wearing these for sure, or otherwise also. So this one also was a great deal. I don't know why have I got into this combination of bag और जूते का, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है यार. I think it sorts half of your life problems कि भाई इसके साथ क्या पहनना है. You have that pair in your mind. So for that thing, I have the last pair of the video, which is a coat, bag and footwear. But इसमें क्या था, मैंने बैग नहीं, मैंने पहले footwear ही लिया. This is the Coach footwear, and I want to give credits to my brother because after I came back from US, my brother went, and उस बेचारे को भी मैंने बड़े धक्के खिलाए कि whatever I left there, I was like, अरे ये रह गया, वो रह गया, वो सब मैंने अपने भाई से मंगवा लिया था. This is one of the things that he bought. Obviously यार, बहन के लिए तो भाई शॉप करेगा ही ना. Anyway, these are the Coach sneakers. I absolutely love the heels. These are for those nights when I don't want to wear a heel when I'm going to a party or some kind of special outing, and I can wear these sneakers below those dresses, below you know, anything denim or anything streetwear or any fancy occasion. I absolutely love how comfortable these Coach shoes are, and you know, मुझे इसके साथ था कि यार मेरे को साथ में ना कोई मैचिंग बैग भी चाहिए, शूज के साथ बैग. पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हो गया आजकल बैग के साथ कि मैं इसके साथ कौन सा बैग पहनूंगी. So I finally forced him to get a bag from Coach itself. So he got me. It is again a very sporty look only, and it's in my favorite color also, which is pink. It's a little pink bag. So this is how it looks. Body cute. It doesn't have like a long sling. It's like a wristlet sort of a thing, but I just thought that it would look super cute and cool to carry this both together. Super pretty. I can wear it on my casual days or on any special occasion also. Love it. It has a canvas sort of a material. The zip is also fine. I absolutely love it. Love it. We have like a card holder space in here. These two things together. Yay! I love it the most because it's pink. But do you see that all three pairs are for different occasions? Tory wala is like a little classy, little fine dine sort. On the other hand, purple tote and sneakers are like very casual for like for a casual look or a airport look. And the Coach combination is, you know, any special occasion, or this is for when you don't want to be very casual and you don't want to be very classy, somewhere in the middle. So this is for that time. Do let me know which one is your favorite combination in the comment below. पक्का बताना तीनों में से सबसे best combination कौन सा था, ठीक है? Pink has my heart. It's like 10 on 10, 10 on 10 and then 11 on 10. Okay, so now next. And guys, Coach is the third brand that you can buy obviously from the US. It's again an American brand. So guys, the next brand that you should buy in USA is Karl Lagerfeld, and I think Karl Lagerfeld is one of those brands which is obviously very expensive in India, but when you go to USA it's literally 1/3 the price, and that is the best part. So I bought like a few things from there. Not shoes because I think footwear मेरे हो गए थे, but I bought 2-3 things. I'll quickly show them to you. So guys, जो मैंने पहली चीज ली, that is this very cute Karl Lagerfeld t-shirt which is super pretty. I love this cute kitty on the Karl t-shirt. Absolutely love it. I think I can wear it on daily or parties. This is also a Karl Lagerfeld t-shirt, but this was gifted guys. ये वाली है जो वहाँ से ली गई है from USA. I think black ऐसा कलर है जो बहुत ही ज्यादा यूज में आता है. These t-shirts literally we get it for like 15-20,000 rupees, and वहाँ पे I think 4,000-5,000 ऐसे प्राइस में मिल जाती हैं. What I bought is this cute sling. This is like a wallet sling. The days you want to go out to the market where you just want to carry your cash and nothing else, उसके लिए एकदम perfect है. And it's a wallet only basically. So इधर आप coins वगैरह, house keys or something you wanna keep, and इधर it's like a wallet where you can keep your cards and all. I got this from the clearance for about 4,000, again 4,000, 5,000, which I'm sure Karl bags are like super expensive here. I've seen bags on Ajio, Tata Click and Myntra Lux. Wherever I've seen these bags, these are 40,000, 45,000. That is how they are. This super chic Karl belt. It's a thick belt which can be worn on dresses. I think कोई भी look को elevate करने के लिए, waist cinch करने के लिए एक broad belt हो तो बढ़िया. And what better than black, guys? It would literally go with everything. At least all the party dresses, if not the day dresses. These three were my purchases from Karl. ये belt की I think I got it for like 13,000-14,000 or 15,000 I think. And तीनों चीजें ही मुझे काफी सही प्राइस की पड़ी comparatively what I would have got in Delhi especially. Next is a very beloved brand. That is Michael Kors. It's an American brand, we all know. I think everybody loves Michael Kors, and I got like 2 super pretty bags, and I got one wallet also to gift it to one of my aunts. वो भी मैं दिखा दूंगी आपको यहाँ पे. It was a wallet which also I got for like 45 or $75, which is also good price as what we get in India. Oh, and then I got this super nice and pretty chic bag. And guys, honestly saying, I picked them up from the clearance section. मुझे यही लगा यार normal prices पे तो जो भी है clearance पे you get it for 75% off and something like that. So I got this super pretty pink MK bag. I just thought it's super feminine, super chic. मैं खुद ना use करूँ तो मैं मेरी mom use कर ले कि इसमें ज़्यादा सामान आ जाता है, क्योंकि usually all of my bags are mini छोटे-छोटे. ठीक है, so this is how it is. Super chic for any casual day, dining या आप कहीं kitty party, I don't know. Oh, this has this thing here as well, and it has like a nice sling also inside, sling belt. So it's not like कि बस handheld है. It has a sling. This was for around $500-600 that I got at a 70-75% off. I think $125 or something like that. मतलब कुछ 10-12-13,000 के अंडर मुझे मिल गया ये बैग. एंड देन आई कुड नॉट कंट्रोल, जब मुझे लगा यार इतना सस्ता मिल रहा है और इंडिया में इतना महंगा मिलता है ये सब, तो आई बॉट अनदर बैग फ्रॉम MK. दिस वन इज the one that I like even more. दो कलर मुझे उसका ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है because you know I am in for all the light pink color. I think this style, I think you're gonna like this one more. So this is the MK bag, and again it has a chain also. But do you see this texture on the bag that we absolutely love? It makes it look more statement. This satchel bag is in electric pink color, and I absolutely love the vibe of this one. And this was for about $398, guys. I don't know if it's visible in here. It was for $398, but again I got it at a 75% off, which was a great deal. And again it comes with a sling of its own. It's a long sling, and we absolutely love this bag, and we can't wait to style it. I just bought a pink Scott and it matches with it so good. I can't wait to style it with something and wear this bag. पता नहीं उस समय I was like ले लो अभी, मेरे नहीं तो किसी और के काम आ जाएगा, कुछ भी होगा. I should get it. So guys, that was another American brand. Now one more American brand is Kate Spade that I got from US. Again, Kate Spade is comparatively reasonable there because again it's an American brand. So वहाँ से मैंने एक बैग लिया for my चाची. I love my चाची. And वो मैंने उनको दे दिया. And I had filmed this video before also, as I've already mentioned, and it got wiped out. तो वो अब उन्हीं के पास है. तो obviously I can't show it. कोई picture होगी तो I'll show it to you. But in addition to that, some things I bought for gifting purposes and one thing for myself. So the thing that I bought for myself was this, I don't know if I should call it a wallet. It's basically a big card holder. So I can put like my cards. I can put like some cash inside it. Then we have a zipper in here as well. This I really like because obviously it's pink. You know how much I love pink. This one was also for about like $40 or $50. You don't get this price in India, guys, trust me. And then for like gifting purposes, I got a few card holders. You know, sometimes you want to gift your loved ones, but here it's expensive, so I wanted to buy something. So these mini card holder sorts I got for gifting. And ये भी मैं गिफ्टिंग के लिए ही लाई हूँ. अब पता नहीं जिसको मैं गिफ्ट करूँ वो हॉल में पहले देख लेगी मैं कहाँ से लाई हूँ. बट दिस थिक वॉलेट ऑल्सो. This is a wallet that I bought for some elderly. ये बड़ा thick wallet. I don't know if girlies would like it. I bought a bag for Chachi and all these things. So they gave me this for free. Free की चीज़ तो बहुत ही पसंद आती है, guys. So this is like a shopper's tote, big size tote that they gave me. This is a huge tote. I don't know ये किस चीज़ के काम आएगा, but क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It is this thing that they gave me for free. Obviously I took it. So yes, Kate Spade is this one more brand that I got. I think I would have done this video in parts, but never mind. It's a huge haul. It's USA shopping haul. So guys, I have two OG bags also, that are extra luxury bags to show you as well. So okay, you have to wait for Gucci, you have to wait for Valentino. So before that, I wanted to show you the accessible luxury brands that you can buy. Okay, तो फिर मैंने लिया Diesel का भी एक bag. This is a very casual bag. So I had a bag of Louis Vuitton that I bought from here, my first and the only Louis Vuitton. That is in black color. तो मुझे ना लेकिन क्या होता था उसके चक्कर में ना मैंने कहा मैंने ब्लैक ले लिया, अब मैं और कोई ब्लैक नहीं ले रही. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि यार नहीं, मुझे एक ब्लैक बैग की जरूरत है विच आई कैन कैरी नॉर्मली ऑल्सो बिकॉज एवरीवेयर आई डोंट वांट टू कैरी माई LV. दैट्स व्हाट आई थॉट व्हेन आई वाज बाइंग दिस बैग. तो ये मैंने लिया डीजल का बैग विच इज रियली प्रिटी एंड super nice and super casual. It has a sling also, so you can carry it as a sling also, and otherwise you can literally carry as a shoulder bag. So I think this is perfect for all that casual wear, and I think this also I got at a reasonable price. This is also a US brand, so you can actually think of buying something. Okay, so guys, next I got two Coach bags as well. जो bags हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This I saw a lot online lately. Okay, this cute bag is so funky. I love the cute bananas. I just thought I love the barrel shape of this Coach bag, and this could be like a super cute summer bag. Summer bag बन सकता है. ऐसे bananas हैं. You know, I can pair it up with like something nice denim or some yellow dress, and it would look too cute and nice in the summers only. तो मैंने उस purpose से ये लिया, and guys, you would not believe I literally got this Coach bag which was like up for about 14,000-15,000, but I got it for like 4,700 or 5,000 rupees. This bag. I got this a super cute Coach bag. I absolutely love this one. This is the super cute Coach bag, guys. I love it, love it, love it. I've actually worn it 2-3 times already now. I couldn't resist keeping it to show you unbox and then use it, but it's super nice. I'll quickly show you. इतना viral bag है, guys. इतना cute है. Recently visited Philippines also, and वहाँ पे भी मैंने store पे देखा. I was like, have it. It's so cute. मेरे पास नहीं होता ना, और मैं वहाँ देखती तो मैं वहाँ से भी ले लेती. This has like a cute sling. I love the shape. I love the Coach canvas. I love the color, how it can be worn with anything under the sun. So this is the cute Coach bag, and I think I got it for about 20,000. This one. It was a little expensive, yes. छोटे बैग के लिए इतना खर्चा, ये वो भाई कभी कभी चीज़ें क्यूट लगती हैं, तो मन करता है लेने का, and you can't resist. गाइज आई कांट टेल यू मुझे कितना मज़ा आ रहा है आपको ये सब दिखाने में, क्योंकि यार मतलब बड़ी टाइम से मैं वेट करी थी कब मैं अपना सामान लगाऊं एंड दिखाऊं आप सबको आके मैंने क्या क्या लिया है, क्यों लिया है. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट ऑल आई गॉट फ्रॉम लव मस्कीनो. सो माय बुआ सन इज इन लंदन, तो मैंने उसको भी कुछ कुछ बोला था. इस साल ना मैंने मस्त शॉपिंग करी है. मैंने कहा पता नहीं जिंदगी का क्या होना है आगे क्या नहीं है, मस्त शॉपिंग करो, खुश रहो, गिव योर सेल्फ ट्रीट्स फॉर वर्किंग सो हार्ड, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. सो नो नजर, ओके. One are these super pretty sunglasses that I got from Moschino. Sorry guys, I'm wiping it out because I live with a dog. Everything gets a bit of a dog hair. So और मैंने ना ये बाहर ही निकाल के रखा हुआ था इतने टाइम से, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं मुझे ये अभी आप लोगों को दिखाना है, मैं अपने अंदर बंद कर दूंगी तो it will go out of my sight and I will not be able to record. So these are the Love Moschino sunglasses. It has this cute Moschino, this teddy, Moschino teddy, and I love the cat eyes. Ooh. I love the cat. I love the luxe vibe these sunglasses are giving. Absolutely love the frame, and I got it at a great freaking deal, guys. These ones you won't imagine. I think these were for like 22,000. I got this for 4,700 or 5,000 rupees. That's a bargain, I know, guys. I'm really good at it. Okay, don't be Jay, but मैं सच बता रही हूँ मैं क्या deals ढूंढती हूँ. Then this muffler I saw my friend's sister wearing it one day in a black color, and I was like, भाई ये तो चाहिए मुझको. मैंने पता है इतनी जगह ढूंढा. I saw it on ASOS but it was out of stock, and then ASOS से ही मुझे ये दिखा and I ordered it. Didn't get it in black but I got it in red, and I was anyway super happy to have it in red because you know वैसे ही दिसंबर में पूरा वो Christmas vibe होती है, and I love the cute teddies on it. Teddies all over it is super super cute. I love how it would look in the winter, how I can pair it up with a lot of things. I love it. कुछ चीजें ना मैं इतनी मैनिफेस्ट कर लेती हूँ हार्ट की मेरे सामने प्रकट हो जाती हैं. ब्लैक पे सोचा था आया रेड पे, पर आ गया, एंड आई थिंक आई कैन वेयर इट ओवर ब्लैक टू गिव दैट कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर. But this also I let you know how much I got it for. I was looking for any ASOS discount coupons online. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कुछ ASOS से ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करो ना, you can actually Google सर्च कि कुछ डिस्काउंट कूपन्स ASOS के मिल जाए, उसको लगा के मुझे कुछ 5-10 पाउंड सस्ता पड़ा था, ठीक है. And then this Love Moschino bag, I had it in the past guys, but मैंने इसको बिल्कुल एक ही बार लिया और कैरी किया होगा शायद. So this is the Love Moschino bag. I love the color of the Love Moschino bag, and again I think I didn't get any deal on this, but जितने का ही MRP था उतने का भी मुझे ठीक ही लगा था. This comes with a golden chain, and obviously you can double it and make it like a nice handbag. एक बार मैंने इसको पहना है ऐसे, इसको डबल करके you can make like a sack bag also. Only once, so it's as good as new. Okay guys, so now it's time for the OG sunglasses that I got from USA. These are from Prada, and these sunglasses have been super freaking trending. मतलब मैंने देखा हर influencer creator के पास है. Sometimes influencers get influenced. I'll tell you why. There's one more big influence in this video which I'm going to show. So these Prada sunglasses I have been super thrilled to purchase, and I got them at a great deal in USA. इधर 36,500 के मिल रहे थे भाई, इतने ज़्यादा expensive थे, but I think I got a really nice deal, and I'm gonna wear these sunglasses. These Prada sunglasses are like OG, and we love them. I got them for some $250, which is a great price, really a great price. ये order online करे थे, but we got it checked from the store also कि ये असली है सही है, क्योंकि I was a little skeptical कि इतने सस्ते कैसे मिल गए, but actually we got a good deal. Now the OG purchases. So guys, we got our very freaking first Valentino Garavani. Oh my god, I think it seemed far-fetched. I thought कि थोड़ा और बाद में लूँगी, but the kind of deal I got on this bag was superb, insane. And मैंने कहा यार कोई नहीं यार, छोटी सी जिंदगी है, keep treating yourself. So this Valentino bag, got it from Harrods. I got this deal in Harrods, and I had my brother in London, so I placed the order from here. I asked him to go collected from Harrods and वहाँ से उसने ये collect करा, मुझे दिखाया and then we got it here. So, since we got it from Harrods, इसमें काफ़ी सारे ये Harrods का ही कुछ है. So this is the bag, you guys. I'll keep the box थोड़ा side में. And मैंने इसके tags वगैरह निकाल दिए थे, तो it was for 960 pound. Okay, this Valentino bag. ये कुछ 960 pound का था, but I got a discount on it, which is the best part. And the color you cannot imagine. It's not any. थोड़े colors repetitive हैं मेरी वीडियो में, but this color is so unique. You will not believe. 1, 2, 3, go. It's a yellow freaking Valentino, guys. तो ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस था जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये लिया. So I got inspired by Ashna Shroff. Okay, I saw this picture. I saw a yellow Valentino and I saw how much she's using and carrying it. And ये वाला तो I think 2-3 lakhs का था, but this was under a lakh. Like वैसे तो it's above a lakh in Emporio. If you go to Delhi Emporio, you'll get it for like 1,10,000 or 1,20,000. But मुझे ये around 72 या इतने तक का पड़ा and I couldn't not buy it. And बहुत ही pretty लगा. You get like a long sling with it. You can wear it as a cross body. The quality of chain is super pretty. इस तरीके से इसमें detailing होती है ना, ये Valentino लिखा होता है and it looks so nice. And I actually wore it recently. I was at a very beautiful rooftop cafe in Singapore and मैंने वहाँ पर carry भी किया. And thanks to Ashna Shroff, sometimes influencers also get influenced and I'm happy only. And you will see me wearing this a lot because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई expensive purchase लो तो उसको बहुत रगड़ना चाहिए. I bought an LV and I wore it like a 1,000 times already and I am glad and I am super proud to wear it every time. So this was a great deal as well and my very first Valentino and many more to come now. I think I'm pushing myself more and more to grow and I'll keep doing that. बहुत मजा आता है guys, you know, when you yourself go, you buy something for yourself with your hard-earned money. You feel so proud of yourself. So the next big thing is the Gucci that we got. And we got a lot of Gucci, guys. And this is sheer thanks to my brother who got me all of this. And वो अपनी ट्रिप से मेरे लिए लेकर आया. He asked me what color I want, what type thing I want. वो लेकर आया. Bag was a gift, was a रक्षाबंधन gift. So everything else was my own. बाकी सब कुछ मिला के दिया है नीचे में. Got me this super pretty scarf from UK and बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है. And the thing I love the most about this one is that Gucci है European side ज़्यादा सस्ता comparatively. US में भी I think you get a good price of this somehow. But I think preferably you should buy it from London, you should buy it from Europe, Italy, somewhere from that. So this comes in dual colors, so I can use it from the dark side and the lighter side as well. So that is why I love this one. I think this was also for about 18,000 or under. और यहाँ पे same around 40 का था Oreo में. Next, what we got from Gucci is this stunning belt, and he was like, असमी तू ब्लॉगर है ना, आई थिंक तेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ये थिक बेल्ट, तू ड्रेसेस के साथ पहन सकती है, यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन योर पैंट्स एंड ऑल. एंड अगेन इट्स लाइक अ पिंक एंड बेज टेक्सचर. I haven't worn it yet, guys, but I can't wait to style it for you all. So this is the belt, and I think this also he got it for like 25k or something. Then we have our Gucci freaking bag, guys. I'll show it to you. So this is the Gucci bag. It's from the Ophelia collection. This comes in other colors as well. Comes with a chain also. बहुत ही गुड क्वालिटी की इसकी चेन है जो आती है. एंड दिस ऑल्सो वॉज एट अ वेरी ग्रेट डील. आई एक्चुअली डोंट रिमेंबर. दिस आई गॉट फ्रॉम TK Maxx and I got this at a great price again. I loved it as an airport look bag. I can put my AirPods in it. It is from DKNY and this was also for like 6-7,000. इधर I think 17-18 का था, but इतना डिस्काउंट पे मिला तो I bought it. I thought वो rough days के लिए जब you want to tuck in your passport, you want to carry, like you want to carry your tote, but a small bag, but put in the universe in it. This was a perfect airport bag. I recently used it as well. Once I used it. Okay guys, so that was all. मैंने बड़े टाइम से ये सब संभाल के रखा था, मतलब संभाल के इन द सेंस बड़े दिनों से accumulate करके रखा था और यूज नहीं किया था कि मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी and then I will use it. But I am super happy that I was able to share with you. So guys, as I've mentioned, these bags literally represent more than just shopping. Really worked hard with the support of all my friends and family to buy all these things and then travel all around, but I feel super grateful and super blessed. Let me know if you want to see more of such hauls or any other kind of videos. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you had fun. This is also like my beginning, my very first YouTube video. I hope I'll do better and better in terms of this also, and I'm here to help you all in a lot of things: styling, content, more hauls, budget hauls, premium hauls, whatever you like it. You can let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to comment below the favorite bag of this entire video. कौन सा आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा? I don't believe I'm saying this, but please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. A lot of more content has been shot and is dying to come to you all. So see you soon. Bye.